Hi, I'm Liz Cantor. Join me and my husband Ryan, sons Kit and Finn, and of course Bear, as we take on our first ever KnockDown rebuild. Today on KnockDown Rebuild, nerves are running high as the final figures are revealed. Will it be over budget?
Welcome, so good to see you. I'm so excited to present your contract today. How are you guys feeling?
A bit nervous.
Excited.
But it's crunch time.
Yeah, have you got an idea of where your magic dollar number's gonna land?
I really want to keep things under 400,
Yeah.
and then we're going to be okay with bank and financing approval, hopefully.
So what we're going to do today is go over all of your final documents. So we've got all your updated contract plans. You've completed your colour selections now, so those updates have been integrated into your contract tender. So we'll go through those final numbers and see where you've landed. I think you're going to be pretty happy with how it's all come together. Looks like you've had a good time at selections.
Yes.
Yeah.
A bit too good a time in the electrical department.
Liz has had a good time.
First steps first is we'll have a look at the plans. In the background, as we discussed at our last meeting, we had a boundary relaxation that we were going to apply for on your behalf. So the great thing is we've done that and it's lodged. We did get some feedback that the house pushed back ever so slightly, so we're at 4.9 front setback now instead of the 4.5.
And how does that affect the block?
Not really that significantly. The side setbacks were exactly what we previously had. It just meant that we had to move the house back half a metre.
Okay.
So in the grand
So a
scheme
little
of
bit
things,
less backyard, but maybe a tiny bit
100%.
more front yard?
Yeah, so
Okay.
a little bit more front yard, but half a metre to the eye, you wouldn't really notice. The other addition, which is an exciting one that Liz will be very happy about, is the infamous skylight. So that's nice and big.
Oh,
it's
we'll be able to see
huge.
the stars.
Yeah.
Romantic. That's awesome.
So
I spend heaps of time in the wardrobe.
yeah.
That's really cool. So lots of natural light.
All right, so let's go through your tender now. The drum roll.
Holy crap.
Okay, I feel like you should be pretty happy there.
Oh wow.
$395.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah, yay. So a couple of things that's worth sort of bringing up at this stage as well is our 6-stage quality assurance process. So what's going to happen at each stage of the build is we're going to do an independent audit check. So it is part of the Metricon team, but what they do is they check the quality of each stage of the build. So when the slab's poured, for example, they come out and make sure that it's all compliant and it's up to the standard that Metricon expect, as we would do with our own display homes.
Yep.
That's a reassurance for yourselves, you know, first time building.
Yep.
The other one that's a really important one to mention is our lifetime structural guarantee. So you've got some peace of mind there.
And we did promise that we'd get in there and save that frangipani tree before anything got knocked down.
Good job, Ryan. How far we've got to walk now?
Almost a kilometre.
For a frangipani. People out walking indoors and Ryan's just walking through. Hill tree.
Coming up on KnockDown Rebuild, it's demolition time.